Hey guys, so it's Thursday. We got a few sales on eBay. Department 56 listed a couple days ago. An old oil advertisement. Sold this for like $12. It's a map and advertisement for oil. A Hummel already half packed. This one, a stitch in time for $29 and 5 shipping. And our Guardians of the Galaxy, it's booster brick. Sold this for I think 60. And we sold pants, Under Armour Everlast pants. It's in the bag here for 10 and 5 shipping. And also we got 16 items going on Amazon merchant fulfilled. So I'm gonna pull the Amazon merchant fulfilled items also and pack everything now. So packed all the Amazon merchant fulfilled orders. Those are books and miscellaneous. Those are DVDs and another book. And that is 17 items. So now I'm probably going to list some items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled and a few stuff on eBay. So everything is packed. Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and this is eBay. I've been going through through my inventory, organizing a little bit, and now I'm gonna we sold 2 more things on Amazon, and now I'm gonna list a few things more DVDs. So I was organizing the warehouse a little bit. Second store, sold 2 more of those, last 2, for $95. And also we sold GTA 4 for PS3. So I'm gonna pack those and add them to the piles. That's Amazon Merchant Fulfilled and eBay. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna maybe list a little bit. I was just organizing the place. It was hectic after I did all the inventory, rundown and sending stuff FBA, so it was pretty hectic here. So I'm gonna pack those and go to list some items. So I have been just organizing more, didn't list anything on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. We sold 2 more items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. Total, I don't know if you can see it pretty well, but it's 24 items in the last 24 hours that I fulfilled, which is good. It's good. CDs are really slow moving, just 1 or 2 maybe a day, but it's all good. It's I wouldn't send it FBA anyways, so I would just trash it, so it's money instead of nothing, so it's good. So I'm gonna drop off everything at the post office, and I'm probably gonna head home, take the rest of the day to deal with the stuff on the computer and stuff like that, just maintenance of the business. So this is for this is Amazon FBA. This this is Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. This is Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. Those are first class and stuff. This is all media, and this is eBay, both main and second store. Second store we sold like 120 today. It's okay. I mean, we sold over $1,000 in our first month on our second store, which is nice. So that's it. Merchant Fulfilled going pretty good. Amazon Merchant Fulfilled going pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with the progress I mean, I I didn't think it will be that good, but can't complain. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Stay safe.